Hi. Today we will see how to implement an image picker in an Android app, without having to ask for any user permissions. The app will be coded in Java. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file. Let's see the UI first. Here, we have an image view. And below that, we have two buttons, Pick Image and Pick Multiple Images. So in this tutorial, we are going to see how to pick up a single image, as well as multiple images. Let's see the main activity now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. Here we have created two activity launchers. These will be used with the two buttons that we have. One will give us a singular image as a result, and the other will give us multiple images as a result. In the onCreate function, we first get the IDs of the image view and the buttons. Then we set up the activity result launcher. This piece of code will be fired when we click the Pick Image button and select one image. Then that image will be delivered to us in this block of code as a result, which then, we will show in the image view. Note this line. Here we have called the Pick Visual Media function. Whereas, in the other launcher we are going to call Pick Multiple Visual Media function. That's the main difference between the two launchers. This is the onClick listener for the Pick Image button. When the button is clicked, we create a Pick Visual Media request builder. Here we mention that we want to pick images only. Other options are, video only, images and video both. Finally, we launched the image picker. This is the second activity result launcher. This piece of code will be fired and we click the Pick Multiple Images button and select one or more images. Then those images will be delivered to us in this block of code as a result, which then, we will show in the image view. But, since we have a single image in our UI, we are going to show only the first selected image among all the images that are selected by the user. Note this line. Here we have called the Pick Multiple Visual Media function. This is the onClick listener for the Pick Multiple Images button. This is exactly the same as the other button that we have. Now, let's run the app. First, I will click the Pick Image button. As you can see, without having to request any storage permission from the user, I can easily pick an image from the gallery and that image is shown in the image view. Now, I will click the Pick Multiple Images button. I will click multiple images here. And note that image gets shown in the image view which I had picked the first. So that's it. That's how you can implement an image picker without requiring any permissions, in a Java Android app. Thanks for watching.